Rondell Meeks would like to recognize a couple of officers of the Silicotta Police Department. Hey Chief, how are you tonight?
Good in yourself?
Pretty good.
Good. The department at times likes to recognize excellence. And so, the first one here is overdue. Captain McNeil. I have not formally introduced y'all to Captain McNeil. He was promoted to captain February 8th, so I'm gonna take the time to do that now. Jason McNeil has been promoted to the captain of Silicotta Police Department. McNeil has been with the Silicotta Police Department for 28 years. He was hired on March 24, 1997 as a patrol officer. He was promoted to sergeant in 2002 and was assigned to the Northeast Precinct, which was located in Drew Court. In 2003, he was promoted to lieutenant and was assigned to various assignments, including patrol commander and chief investigator. During his time as lieutenant, he was assigned as patrol commander and now captain. His job performance has been exemplary for both the department and the city as a whole. Jason's a local guy in which there are many familiar with him and his family. He comes from a long line of family who dedicated their services to the city, and I believe we are blessed to have him. So, what I would like to do at this time is read his certificate of appointment. To all who shall see these presents, greetings. Know you that reposes special trust and confidence in fidelity and abilities of Jason McNeil. I do hereby appoint him as captain in the Silicotta Police Department in accordance with the ordinance of the City of Silicotta, Chapter 2, Article 3, Section 262. You are to discharge carefully and diligently the duties of appointment as instructed by the Chief of Police and to uphold the traditions and core values of the Silicotta Police Department. You are to exemplify a high degree of moral courage and dedication to the Silicotta Police Department, which will serve as an example to all employees and all citizens of this great city. Signed, Rondell Meeks, Chief of Police.
Congratulations, Captain.
Now, we both would like to recognize our Officer of the Year. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here tonight because of prior engagement, but Corporal Investigator Shelby Doctor was selected by his peers. Now, that name may be familiar to you because not only has Corporal Doctor, he has a doctorate in theology, but he taught himself French Creole during the Haitian migration, said better terms, so that the department could talk and speak without having to use outside interpreters or electronic means. Again, like I said, I just want to mention, he's the Officer of the Year. Corporal Layton. Commendation for Corporal Andy Layton, Top Gun Award recipient 2024. The Silicotta Police Department is proud to recognize Corporal Andy Layton as the recipient of the Top 24 Top Gun Award. This prestigious honor is awarded annually to the officer who demonstrates exceptional proficiency in firearms training and performance. Corporal Layton distinguished himself by achieving the highest scores in the department's annual firearms qualification, patrol rifle assessment, and rigorous combat course. His dedication to training precision and tactical excellence reflects the highest standards of law enforcement professionalism. Matter of fact, I plan to get the rest of us using technology to be able to do what he does with his naked eye. And bittersweet moment here, Chaplain Ledbetter. Chaplain Ledbetter has been our chaplain for years. He retired this year, and we hate to see him go. So we have a couple of things for him. First, there's a certificate of retirement, Chaplain Mark Ledbetter. Having served with faithfully and honorably for 20+ years, was retired from Socorro Police Department. Your dedication and unwavering commitment to the department and community have left an indelible mark. Thank you for everything you've done for us, and we love you. Okay? We hope that it creates a special place in your home.
Thank you very much.
Now, I want to give you something personally for me. You have been a great mentor to me, no matter what time of day or the hours. You know, sometimes people need a presence, not a prescription. And you've been a great presence. So, this is something from me. My name